Robotics has marked a massive shift. We are moving from AI on screens to AI in physical world. Welcome to our new course of AI and robotics. Let's break down how we are doing this, why we are doing this, and what you should expect.
Because the era of chatbot AI is saturating, the real growth is in physical AI, robots that feel, sense, and act. Factories are replacing manual labor with intelligent robots, and now surgeries are being too assisted with local AI models.
So how do we teach this? We use Raspberry Pi 3B Plus as our main brain. We take heavy models, optimize them, and run locally on our machine. It's properly beginner friendly, and most importantly, it is aligned with our CBSE curriculum, so you are mastering your academics while building something very fascinating.
What will you walk away with? Real world projects. For instance, you will be building a smart garbage collector that segregates waste, not only collects it. You will be building a facial recognition system, the one you see on your mobile phones, and many more. That is going to build your AI skill. Not only this, you will be getting an instant access to set of tools such as Jupyter for training, a dedicated AI chatbot that will solve all your queries and doubts instantaneously.
Don't just learn AI, build it. Join us and let's get building.